Here he goes.
Is all sewage in that water?
Nah, a little bit.
Pictures here.
You can say hi to the otter out there.
You saw him on the
Going
ice
in.
over there? The otter saw him when we came.
Yeah, the otter was
I haven't seen him in a couple of years.
Sled is about halfway out. Probably about right over in there. Can't really see the windshield.
Absolutely not. I was driving my own sled.
Somewhere out in there.
I didn't even see him.
Just gotta go across the river.
You only get
Yeah, it's hard. The camera can't get it. I see it. Yeah. There it is, right in there. There where that ripple of water is.
I saw him slowing up. I said, oh,
Get that shoulder closed
and
up.
he goes
The
down
zipper
and
and all.
steam comes up from the motor. And then Brian's got to buy each and every person a beer at the bar later.
Here we go. He's getting ready to go for the big swim.
I've got to sell a house and earn money and do all that stuff to buy another house that's less money and less taxes and all that stuff.
There he goes.
It'd be funny if you just
Retrieval. That is Mr. Carl Abrams at the helm. Almost there. Awful lot of rope going out.
Right behind you.
What's the sound?
I like how it went so big by the edge of the ice.
Who's got a can of ether? Need some start fluid.
Going down to hook her up. He might have to go under. We'll see.
It's starting.
See if he's got to go under.
It's starting.
Yep.
I can feel that water from here.
Yes,
You don't want to be in
Coffee.
But you don't see what the guy is. No embarrassing video.
you're gonna warm him up. You want to eat? Can we hook it?
Probably $150.
for your hair.
I go with the long suit we have, Jay. You go in here. Just need
It's like rescue. It's not even that. It's filling up your clothes.
Paul, here we go. There we go.
Just back up. Come on, drag. Pull like we're going backwards.
Here she comes.
Don't change spots before you go out.
He's kind of sitting on the sled while she's.
I wish I could help, but I got one on.
Here you go.
Hold on.
There she is. Here she comes.
There it is.
Skidoo. Figures.
$14,000, right?
You all right?
Yeah, keep falling.
Here we go.
Okay, hang on right there.
Now,
I feel bad, I can't help.
Got another one?
One ski. Go around the other one.
Tree stump right there.
Are there any fish in there?
Fish in here?
Oh, when I was in Florida.
We got another one right here.
here's the handlebars. Got them up.
And I saw two otters at the dock.
Here comes the big pull, fellas. she is.
Hold on. Okay.
There she comes. There she is. Pull, baby, pull. There she is. She's out. This is why I don't do river crossings.